That's really delicious. Hey guys, today I'm going to be making a chai baked cheesecake and it's going to have some mango gelee on top. Let's do it. Okay, chai spices. So I'm going for cardamom, cinnamon, black pepper, fennel and some cloves. It's a bit like a super band, right? Are they smelling toasted? I'm going to break these up. Oh, it's hot, it's hot. I'm toasting them in a pan to make sure they release all of their delicious flavours. They're making crackly noises. Is it burning? Oh God! Origin of the recipe. I went to India a few years ago, drank loads of chai, served everywhere in these cool little clay cups. Delicious. Also, I really like basque cheesecakes. There, the twain shall meet. Onwards! You're so heavy, Mr. Bolt. All the spices have been bashed up, small and nice. This is going to help the cream soak up the flavours of the masala or spice mix. I'm also adding a little bit of fresh ginger for that gentle heat, but this is optional, as are all the spices. Feel free to chop and change them as you will. Simmer that over a very low heat for around half an hour, and oh yeah, what would chai be without tea? So you're going to let that infuse for a further 10 minutes before straining it all out. I'm going to use this chai infused cream in a sec. All right, I'm going to take it out and back. Plop, plop. Plop. What's a cheesecake without cheese? So my cheese, cream cheese, is room temperature and I'm whizzing it up until it's all smooth and lovely. Meanwhile, I've smashed all these little eggs together and I'm going to pour them in gradually. Lots and lots and lots of eggs. Okay, that's enough. That's enough silliness now. Lots and lots and lots of eggs. Softly, softly, catch your monkey, as they say. But in this instance, there's no monkey involved. It just stops the mixture from splitting, right? It's making a weird noise. Sounds like a duck. In goes the sugar. Now, carry on beating that in until it's all combined. This is a Basque style cheesecake, so there's no buttery biscuit base. Then that cream. Once it's cooled down, please. Oh no. Oh, it's quite hot still. Shh. It's gonna be too hot. No, it's gonna be fine. Oh, it's nasty. It's nice. Final bit is just a smidgen of flour to give it a little bit of structure. Whisk it in until it's good and mixy wixy. Cool, perfect, beautiful, stunning, gorgeous. Let's go and put it in its tin. Okay, let's put it in the tin. What I like about this recipe is you don't have to faff around with cutting out paper, lining tins and all that crap. This method is traditional in Basque cheesecakes and gives you craggly edges that you want. Also, this cheesecake rises like crazy in the oven and the paper walls are going to stop it from overflowing and being burnt and sad. Here comes the mango pulp into his pan. Here he comes into his pan. Onwards to the mango topping. So I just whiz some frozen mangoes up, cook it down with a little bit of sugar until it's soft, and then you're going to add some gelatin. Well, it's like it's alive. It looks like flubber. This is going to help it set into a delicious mango layer on top of our cheesecake. What a lovely garnish. Okay, so the cheesecake has been sitting in the fridge for a couple of hours to settle down. As you can see, it's got a perfect hollow in the middle for me to pour the mango mixture into. It looks like a volcano. That's gonna sit back in the fridge for half an hour once the mango mixture's been spread onto it. And then all that's left is to pop in some little citrusy pieces of zested lime. What a stunner. That's really delicious. Sharp yet sweet mango topping works with a quite rich, decadent, chai-infused base, and the toffee notes of that basque cheesecakey, crusty crust is it's quite something. I strongly suggest you go and try this immediately. It's also really easy. See you next time. Cheers.